it's kind of more inspirational to me. Lost my mom and my son like 6-7 years ago. His name is Karl and my mom named Maisie. So K Maisie Southern Flavors, it was just perfect. I've been executive chef on Bourbon Street, French Quarters for 14 years. Right now, at this time, I'm in charge of the catering crew offshore in the Gulf of Mexico on the oil rig.
Being a chef, I like to be real creative.
I'll be doing seafood pastas. Of course, I'll be doing fried seafood platters. I'll be doing po' boys. I'll be doing charbroiled burgers. I don't have a specialty. I just love cooking food. I do all types of meals. I mean, it doesn't matter how many times I called. I mean, it was there, answered. It's so professional here, it really is. I mean, I've got no gripes about anything.